Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you to reset your smartwatch. Alright, so of course this is a Galaxy Watch. In order to do that, you're going to swipe up, you're going to go to your settings. Alright, so you're going to go ahead, scroll down, you're going to go to general. Once you go to general, guys, you're going to find the option here that says reset and you're going to tap on it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and reset. And notice it warns you, it says back up your data to your Samsung Cloud before resetting. You can restore it later on this watch or new watch. And you see the options here. It says backup data, or of course it says reset. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to tap on reset. That's to reset the device. Alright, it says resetting. And as I said, make sure you back up your device. It's a good idea to always back up your device before doing anything like this. You'd have to use your phone. All right, so of course it's gonna go ahead and it's gonna do its thing. All right, it's normal to reboot a few times. And a reset would work well in cases that you're gonna sell your device, or maybe you just want to restart for a new device or phone, or whatever it is. Once you back up your data, you should be good. All right, it's going to set it back to factory settings as if it's the first time you're going to set up your device. Alright guys, and there you go, it's now fully reset, and notice it's saying welcome as if it's the first time that you have ever set this up. Alright, do hope this was useful and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.